Welcome back. In this video, we are going to cover something that sounds easy, but in reality, it is not that obvious. How to work with laptops and without mouse. So we do not have the scroll button for rotation. So the easy answer is a right click on the graphics area, and there you have your tools, rotation and pan and all that. At least on my computers, it works well. Two fingers moving up and down for the zoom in and zoom out. And this is something that if you have something selected and you right click, you will notice that they are not accessible on a first view, but you will see it from this drop down or this options, zoom, pan, rotate. There you have it. It is exactly the same. You can have also you can hit the escape key on your keyboard. It's not going to deselect your current selection, and you can just use Control, add another selection, right click again, rotate more, etc. So I know it is going to be slow, but it is how it is going to work. There are other option that I really like more is to have the tools for rotation in this zone of command. So how do we add those? If I right click over one of these icons and I hit customize, I go to commands and look for the command that I want to have there. So let's say pan, for example. I type pan in here. I have it now. I just click and drag it to the area and position where I wanted it to be. There you go. So now let's say rotate. I believe it's this one. This says rotate view. I hope this is not the one for drawings. Okay, rotate, and let's say that for a reason I don't use zoom, to be honest, but I use the fingers. But zoom on an area is very useful for me. Okay, there you go. All right, so yeah, it was the rotation. Okay, so as you can see, I have the commands in here, easy to pick, no right click, no other things. So this is something that I love from SolidWorks is the how easy to customize the user interface. That's an amazing thing from SolidWorks that I really appreciate. So as you can see, I rotate, and with my control pressed, I can add more selection, then rotate more. I don't know. Okay, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you find it useful. Don't forget to subscribe. Bis zum nächsten Mal.